Welcome to the Earth+Flax studio. Today we're talking about siding and our pine tar finish for our siding. This is center match cedar siding, and I just liked the look of it, kind of a nice clean look. You can use any kind of siding design. You can use any kind of wood species. We just happen to have a great cedar supplier locally here in the Philadelphia area. So that's why we went with this design and this wood species. We have not found any wood species that is incompatible with the pine tar finishes. So it really kind of comes down to what's available in your area. And I'll also point out that most wood available or readily available to us here in North America is going to be kiln dried. So it's going to be very dry, very thirsty, and that is something that's great for the pine tar finishes. We can even take something that's relatively inexpensive, siding product, and get a couple of extra coats of our pine tar and oil, our purified linseed oil, and improve the integrity and quality of that timber. So all of my tests here are the same type of wood and the same 50-50 ratio. One set is the black pine tar, one set is the dark pine tar, and you'll notice that one set is smooth cut, one set is rough cut. Those are the only difference, and we have some fun variation. First option on our smooth cut side, a little more transparency, has a slower absorption rate, so you can see that we could play with that. More oil, more transparency, less oil, more opacity or intensity of pigment. And our rough cut side, really fun, a little bit of that charged Shushugiban Yakashugi effect. And this is also 50-50 black pine tar. So I do like that. I think that's like a fun use of color and texture. I think the natural options are also really, sort of grab my attention, celebrate the natural color of the wood. And this is the smooth cut side over here with the dark pine tar, 50-50. Really pretty, kind of a honey color. And then our rough cut side, kind of quite different, a little bit of a smoky look. Really took that natural, traditional pine tar option here and created something quite different. So I think all of them are really beautiful. All of them sort of celebrate the wood substrate and give, some creative spirit here while we're talking about color and finish. And it's always a great idea to do a test. It's a big time saver in the long run. If you're interested in what pine tar option we decide to use, stay tuned and find out here at our Urban Timber Frame project.